Welcome to Coreform Cubit tutorials. Coreform Cubit provides user-guided automated tools to make geometry cleanup and simplification fast and satisfying. In this video, we're going to use the item wizard and power tools to mesh a more complex model. First, open or import your file. You can find this file on our tutorials page at coreform.com. Make sure you have the power tools and item open. Now we can move on to set the FEA model. You can check these out, but we're going to know how to use the defaults for today's situation. Now let's click prepare geometry. So this volume here is going to give us a few issues. You can see some small features and surfaces that may cause low quality mesh. Let's run check diagnostic. You can see 2 of the 4 gave us an issue. Let's dive into remove small features to solve those issues. Detect small features. Drop down menu for narrow surfaces. So you can see here that surface 17 is causing surface 1 and 18 to have issues. So let's select surface 17. Let's go on possible solutions, and we're going to remove surface 17. And that's now combined surface 1 and 18. Item is great to letting us know there's possible an issue that could prevent meshing, but it can overreact. I'm going to right click on this surface here, mark as OK, so we can move on. Now let's dive into build meshable topology. Run check meshability. In here you can see all the non-meshable volumes. Select the volume that is unmeshable and click decompose volume. Run check meshability again. And here you can see all the possible solutions. So you can scroll through these to find one that works best for you. Coreform Cubit's powerful automated tools can save you a lot of time and effort without you losing control over your mesh. So you're going to continue through these steps until each volume is meshable. You're going to find the possible solution you like and click execute. You may need to go through a small trial and error process to find which web cut works the best for your model. I'm going to go through the solutions needed for this model. Once each model is showing as meshable, you can press done, done, and done. Now we get back to this page here. Let's go dive into mesh the geometry. Here you can type in all or select each volume individually. Click generate mesh. Congrats, you just generated your first complex mesh. It automatically assigns a mesh scheme based on the geometry of the volume. Now we can move on to checking the quality of our mesh by pressing done. Validate the mesh. Define quality metrics. I like to use scale Jacobian, but any preference can be used. Click done. Check mesh quality. Again, you can type in all or select each volume individually. Analyze quality. Now you can see the quality of the mesh you generated. This highlights the areas that could benefit from altering the FEA model and maybe changing the geometry to increase the mesh quality. You can see here the low quality parts of the mesh are located around the small features we did not remove. In this next video, we are going to show you how to remove those to increase your mesh quality. And there you have it. You've successfully meshed a more complex part using Coreform Cubit's powerful, user-guided automated geometry cleanup and simplification tools. More videos, tutorials, and webinars are available at coreform.com.